Hello guys, in this video I want to show you some of the updates on my Fusion decompiler CTFAK 2.0, and the first thing that I want to show you is that it still works. I accidentally broke it like 2 times before recording this video, but now it's working again. I can just type the FNF1 here and wait a little bit. Also, don't ignore this folder, it doesn't mean anything. It's pretty much useless for now. Actually, it's not. I'll show you what it does a little bit later. So let's just wait for it to actually decompile the game. Well, the game is already decompiled. We are just waiting for it to write it to a file, so we can see it in Fusion Editor. Okay, it's done. Let's close this thing and open the Fusion Editor. Drop it here. And the first difference from the old version that I've showed before is that we have the icon here, which is a little bit broken, but it's actually there. All of these are actually here. You can see them all. And we also have icons for all the objects except for the ones that have no icon. It literally says no icon here. And yeah, the same goes for every object. You can also see all the stuff here, and you can still run the game. The fonts are a little bit broken, but I might fix it later, or maybe not. Who knows? If I have enough time, I'll do it. So yeah, I can just normally run the game. And once it's done, we can see all the stuff here. And yeah, it's also automatically set to direct 3D9. We can set it to 11 if we want. And I also want to try this thing to see if it does something. Well, I don't see any real difference here, so yeah, nothing really changed. Okay, the next thing that I want to show you is that I can log some information about the game that I'm trying to decompile. So if I do this and then add trace chunks here and press enter button, we can see that we have some stuff in this folder, and I can actually close it. I don't need the M file anymore. So here we have the application name, some other stuff like frames. These are encrypted, by the way, so we can see any useful information here. We can see all the images. They're also compressed, so nothing useful here. But if you use the hex editor to view this stuff, you can actually find some useful information that might help you to I don't know, do something with that information. Here we have some extension data that contains the names of the extensions, yep, all that technical stuff. And the last thing that I want to show you is that I can dump images from the mobile games. So if I drop this here, ignore this, and use the Android reader here, the first thing that I see is that I have all the frames here. I can't decompile it for now, but I can dump all the images, and I'm not sure if it actually works because I haven't tested it before. But yeah, it actually works. I have a different tool for that. This one, Fusion Android tool. We can compare it to this one. Okay, this one took 17 seconds. Let's see how many this takes. This one should be faster because it only like reads all the stuff that is related to the images. It doesn't do anything else. Okay, let's see. No, wait, it took even longer. That's quite surprising. Well, I think I'll use CTFAK for the Android dumping then. And actually, let's see if it works or... Yeah, it does. Yeah, we can see all the Android stuff here, but... okay, I can't actually see any of the Android stuff here, but we'll find it if we look at it for a little bit. Maybe it's in the beginning. Oh, yeah, here it is. All this stuff that is used in the Android version of the game. And anything else, maybe? No? Well, fine, I guess we don't see anything interesting here. Okay, I actually wanna try to decompile the game and see if it does something, because I don't remember. I've implemented this feature a long time ago, so I'm not sure if it does something or it just crashes at the very beginning. Okay, so decompile, and yep, it's dead, because we don't have the sound bank, because I'm ignoring the sound bank for the Android games, because it's a little bit different than the normal Fusion games, so we don't have the decompiling feature yet. But I might actually add it later. Also, the sorted dumping should have worked, but for some reason it doesn't. Okay, that's pretty much everything that I wanted to show you, so yeah, goodbye.